What's up, everybody? It's Jalen Cole 609, Jericho 609, and I'm gonna be showing you my custom edge. He's not finished. This is my friend's. Me and him switch every day. Right now I have Edge's limbs, and right now he's cracking the Elite torso. So I'm gonna open up this bag. I'm gonna try not to put the camera down. All right. Sorry guys, I have to open up the bag. Alright, so I'll show you the pieces. We already torso cracked the basic edge. Alright, so we have Edge's head. It has missing part of his beard, but I don't have that color, so I'm not going to paint it. We have Edge's legs. Edge's arm. Edge's other arm. Mom, I'm making a video. Edge's shoulder and Edge's other shoulder. So we're gonna be cracking the Elite John Cena and putting these pieces on there. I'll see you guys later. Tell me if you want to do more customizing. So bye guys, peace.